maybe I made that look simple. I don't know. I'll tell you, if you read a lot of things on Facebook and follow different pages and things, people talk about how expensive owning a motorhome is, and it is. But one of the ways you can help yourself is to be able to do some of these repairs yourself. And there's a wealth of information out there. I did this with pretty much this whole repair with a $29 tool set from Harbor Freight. Now I've got other tools, but I had just bought that set to just kind of keep in my truck, just to have handy. And it's got several things in it, but I say all that to say, you can do this. You can do some of these repairs. Now there's some you can't, and some of these motorhomes are more serviceable than others. This one, for instance, has a rear radiator, and so the engine compartment's pretty tight. It's pretty hard to get to a lot of things in there. So when it comes to regular maintenance, we go to the Freightliner dealership and let them do the filters and all those things. And I know a lot of you guys do this stuff on your own, and that's okay. I mean, it's a good way to save money, but repairs are expensive. I heard somebody say once, and I think this is good advice: whatever you spend on a used motorhome, you need to put about 10% of that away, over and above that away, for repairs in the future, because they're going to come. So if you get them out and use them, and you need to, but if you get them out and use them, you're going to have repairs on an older motorhome. This one's 15 going on 16 years old, has 78,000 miles on it, has a 350 Caterpillar engine in it, and that engine will go 500,000 to 1 million miles, and the coach itself is going to have issues during that time. I do feel like that Winnabago and Newmar, some of the major manufacturers, some of the major players in the 89 or 98 through the mid 2000s were some of the coaches, or some of the best coaches built. So if you're looking for a good used one, stay with a good popular name brand. Do your research. Have an inspection done. There's companies out there that will, or guys out there that will go and inspect motorhomes for you. And I'll tell you, that's one of the mistakes that we made when we bought this one. We had owned campers before, but never a motorhome, or certainly anything this size. And we purely bought this off looks. And fortunately, I think we bought a good one. And but there again, we've still had some issues, and those issues have all been repairable. But it's just part of the journey. So, guys, I hope you learned something from this. I hope it helps somebody make this same repair down the road. If your jacks are running weak, or your slide out's running weak, or maybe not at all, then take a look at that shuttle valve. It's a culprit, evidently, and so it's something we found in our research and went right to it. And like I said, I've got around $90 in this repair, probably one of the cheapest repairs I've ever had on this thing, to be honest with you. But all in all, it's a great machine. We love it. We love going. We're planning another trip for next summer, and once we get finished with football season. Today, like I said, a beautiful day here in North Alabama. We're going to get up to the farm and do some more videos up there. Just let y'all know what we got going on up there. We got our quote on our electrical service installation, and we'll be getting that done here in the next couple months. Our water service, we're going to be getting that meter installed soon. And so still a lot of work to do there on the farm, but right now we're at our house in town, and we're getting it, it's ready to put on the market in January, and we're going to put it up for sale, and probably live in this beast for a little while we're getting our barn dominium built. So anyway, I hope that helps somebody today. We're just getting this YouTube thing started, and so we hope somebody finds this video and it'll help somebody along the way. Have a good day, y'all. We'll see you on the next video.